Hi guys, welcome to Kiambu County. This is our 198 square meter project. Actually, it's a 3-bedroom mansionette with a family room. We have one room on the lower part of the house, and then we have two on the upper part of the house. So follow me and let's see what is currently happening in the roof part of the house. And this right here is going to be our entrance porch. We're going to be setting some small staircases that are going to aid us in accessing the sitting room area. Right here, this is our massive sitting room area. We have done our beam and block technology to aid us in doing our gypsum ceiling for most of our standard houses. That is what we use. Then over here we have our dining room space that we have very big windows over here that we are going to be installing our window grills fabricated by Batir, as you're going to be seeing in our next video. Then right here, this is our massive kitchen space whereby we have done the tops with precast panels. We are going to be setting our upper cabinets over here, then our lower cabinets over here. Then you can set your cooker here and your fridge over here. Then following here, we have the pantry space that you are going to be setting our cabinets to aid us in the storage of the kitchen materials. And then we are going to be setting our washing machine over here. That's why we have this floor trap over here. Then let me show you our bedroom spaces. But right before I show you that, we have our upper staircases that are going to be leading us into the upper rooms. So this is our bedroom number 1, just small and sizable. We're going to be installing our windows over here and there. And then this is the bathroom space for this bedroom 1. Then these are our staircases that you are going to be setting our rails, as you are going to be seeing in our next videos. And then on this particular space here, we are going to be setting our common cloakroom, that when the visitors are coming in, they can access that one instead of going to other bathroom spaces. So up here we have 3 spacious rooms. On my right hand, we have bedroom number 2. Very big, very nice view of the entire vicinity. As you can see, still work in progress. And then this right here is going to be the bathroom space for this particular room. Then on my left hand side, we have the family room. Very big, spacious, with a very nice balcony over here. Then, like I said, we are working on the roof work, and this is a parapet wall which is 1.2 meters high that we are going to be using to hide our mabatis. So when it's raining, water will be flowing from this side to the other part of the house, which is the back side of the house. Then you follow me into the master bedroom. This is the entry into the master bedroom, and this is the master bedroom over here, big and spacious, with a very nice view of the gate on whoever is coming in. Then we have an exit door here. If you want to access the balcony, then you can use this door instead of just going back and forth. So this door can access the balcony as well as the family rooms. Then this is the massive walk-in closet for the master bedroom. We are going to be setting or mounting our wardrobes over here, of course, as per the client's taste and preference. And then this is the last room here, which is the master bathroom. We are going to be setting our jacuzzi here, the sinks, the toilets, everything that is required for any bathroom. So guys, this is the current project report on our house in Kiambu County. Keep following us for more updates on this and more of other projects that we are working on different counties. Batir Constructions, building the future, one panel at a time. Keep it locked.